Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely disassembling your Surface Pro 4 without causing any damage. Start by powering off your device completely. Once it's off, use the Torx T5 screwdriver to remove the screws located around the device's edges. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them organized to avoid confusion later. After removing the screws, gently insert the plastic spudger into the seam between the screen and the body. Carefully work your way around the device to release the clips holding the screen in place. Take your time with this step, as rushing can lead to cracks in the glass. Once the screen is detached, you will see the internal components. It's crucial to clean the area around the motherboard to prevent any dust or debris from interfering with the repair. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clear out any particles. Next, locate the motherboard. You will need to disconnect several cables attached to it. Use the spudger to gently pry off the connectors. Be cautious, as these connectors can be delicate. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and effort. With the cables disconnected, you can now remove the motherboard. There may be additional screws securing it in place, so ensure you check for those. Once you've removed the screws, gently lift the motherboard out of the casing. Inspect the motherboard for any visible damage, such as burnt components or broken traces. If you identify any issues, you may need to replace specific parts. For this, having a soldering iron and soldering wire will be beneficial. If you're not comfortable with soldering, consider our quote before repair service, which provides you with an estimate before any work begins. After addressing any issues, it's time to reassemble the device. Place the motherboard back into its original position and reconnect all the cables. Ensure each connector clicks into place securely. Next, reattach the screen by aligning it with the body and pressing down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened properly but not overly so, as this can strip the threads. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 4 to test if the repair was successful. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your device. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, we provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. This way, you can focus on what matters most while we handle the technicalities. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.